Good morning. I am Anthonisamy. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Applications, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Now I am going to discuss about a structured query language in database management system. First of all, I would like to brief introduction about SQL. SQL is an ANSI standard computer language for accessing and manipulating database system. SQL statements are used to retrieve and update data in SQL Server, Oracle, Sysbase, etc. So this is a simple example of SQL database tables. So this is simple example of SQL query select statement. This statement is used to retrieve the data from database. This is an example. Here last name is a field name, person is a database name. It will select all the last name from the database persons. So SQL data manipulation language. What is the purpose of DML? Is used to manipulate the data in the database. Here structured query language is an syntax for executing queries, but the SQL language also includes the syntax to update, insert and delete records. Here data manipulation language parts of SQL. First is select command, then update command, then delete command and insert command. SQL data definition language: create, alter, drop, create index, drop index statements. It is to permit database tables to be created or deleted. First we will see the select statement. The select command is used to select data from a table. This is called a syntax of a select statement. Select column name from table name. To select the columns named last name and first name, use a select statement like this. Select last name, first name from persons. It will show the result. Last name and first name will be selected from the database persons. Then next one, select all columns. If you want to select all columns from the database, you must use the star symbol. To select all the columns from the person table, we will use this statement, select star from persons. Then this is a result set. The result from a SQL query is stored in a result set. Then semicolon after SQL statements. So semicolon is the standard way to separate each SQL statement in a database system that allow more than one SQL statement to be executed in the same call to the server. Select distinct statement. The distinct keyword is used to return only distinct values. The select statement returns information from table columns, but what if we only want to select distinct statements? With SQL, all we need to do is to add a distinct keyword to the select statement. So this is a simple syntax of using distinct keyword. Select distinct column name from table name. Using the distinct keyword to select all values from the column named company, we use a select statement like this. Select company from orders. So the company names will be displayed in the result. Then select distinct company from orders. The duplicate values will be removed from the result. Select all columns. The where class is used to specify a selection criterion. To conditionally select data from a table, a where clause can be added to the select statement. This is a syntax. Select column from table where column operator value. These are some operators can be used in a where class. Equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, between an inclusive range, and like operator. Using the where class to select only the persons living in the city Sandness. We add a where class and we add a where class to the select statement. So the output of the command to be displayed on the screen. We can use the quote in select command. SQL uses single quotes around text values. Numeric value should not be enclosed in quotes. Then like condition. The like condition is used to specify a search for a pattern in a column. So this is an syntax using like condition. A percentage sign can be used to define wildcards both before and after the pattern. So this is a simple example using like statement. Select star from persons where first name like O. The following SQL statement will return the persons with the first names that end with an A. The next insert statement. This is an syntax of insert statement. Insert into table name, values, value 1, value 2, etc. Then you can also specify the columns for which you want to insert data. This is a simple syntax. Another alternate syntax of insert statement. If you want to insert new row, insert into table name, person's table name, values. These are some values. So alternative syntax: insert into persons, last name and address. After that we will give some values, last name and address. Update statement. This is an general form of update command. Update table name. Set column name is equal to new value where column name is equal to some value. We can update several columns in a single row. So this is a simple example. Update person, set address equal to address and city where last name is equal to Rasmussen. Delete statement. This is an example syntax of delete statement. Delete from table name where column name is equal to some value. If you want to delete data from the database with some condition, we can remove the data from the database. So this is a simple example. Nina Rasmussen record is going to be deleted using this delete command. If you want to delete all rows from the table, delete from table name only, or delete star from table name only. Then miscellaneous commands. Here drop command, drop table name. If you want to remove the data and data definition from the table, you can use dropped command. It will be removed entire database from the database language. And DCL commands. The DCL commands are used to use some or all of Oracle objects are known as privileges. Granting privileges, we can give some permission to access the data from the database using grant command. So for example, the syntax of grant command is grant permission, select, insert, delete, update, then on object name to username. Example, grant insert on emp to user1. So we can insert the data into the database emp for user1. We will give us some permission, we will grant some permission to the user1. Then revoking privileges, it get back permissions from the user. Syntax, revoke permission on object name from username. So here we can get back the permission from the user using revoke command. Revoke all on emp from user1. Then next, transaction control language. It controls over transaction processing by specifying the beginning and ending of transaction, commit, rollback to save point, etc. So these are the some TCL commands: commit, rollback, save point, and rollback to. Thank you.